Since 2016, the Majorana Demonstrator has been hunting for a rare particle decay that could solve the mystery of the matter-antimatter imbalance in our early universe. Majorana, a proving ground for neutrinoless double beta decay research, has paved the way for a next-generation experiment, LEGEND-200. Today, Majorana is playing a crucial role in preparation for LEGEND-200, which will be built in an underground laboratory in Gran Sasso, Italy. In October, the first of 2 enriched germanium detectors arrived at the Majorana cleanroom on the 4850 level of Sanford Lab. In this underground space, protected from cosmic rays and dust, the detectors are scanned and characterized. 2 will even be placed inside the thick, multi-layered Majorana shield. The tests will help researchers get to know these detectors. How quickly will they detect background signals, and just how sensitive will they be to rare particle decays? All this information will prove invaluable when the detectors are installed in LEGEND-200. Majorana is also providing ultra-pure copper, and 35 of its enriched germanium detectors will be repurposed for the experiment. This series of experiments could help physicists better understand the neutrino and unlock mysteries behind the formation of our universe.